to another video. I hope each and every one of you are doing absolutely fantastic, and I hope each and every one of you are doing loads of hard work to achieve your goals. So this video is going to be my one of the most awaited video that many of you are commenting on my video and asking me constantly that is English easy or not. Yes, speaking English is easy, and the first important thing that you are asking me about myself, that my name is Poma and I am from Jharkhand, and accept this by knowing the state I cannot tell you detail about myself. Okay, so the main topic to make this video is this really important? Is this really necessary to thinking English? Is this really a big major part or important part through our spoken English journey? So my answer is going to be yes, because as I will tell you from my experience, think in English really help you to improve your fluency. Yes, if you really want to fluent speaker, if you really want to be a confident while speaking English, then think in English is very important. Why? Because if you will try, if you will do a practical with spoken English, like suppose you communicate with a one person and he is constantly saying with English, and you are unable to what, you are unable to reply him in English constantly in a great interval of time. Means suppose he is speaking English in front of you, so suppose he had spoke something about himself in a one sentence, and what you have, and what you do, just you translate it in your English in your mind, and you have taken a seconds about the, suppose you have taken a 1 minute. It depends upon the person to person that how minute you are taking time to convert your Hindi to English. And also it takes time to come the sentence from mind to mouth. It will also take time. So what happens with you, you are converting your sentences in your mind, and then you are taking the time to coming that particular sentences to your mouth. So you have taken about a 1 minute, 1 minute, almost 2 minutes, and means you are replying that person with this regular interval of time, with a regular gapping of this time about of 2 minutes. And speaking is like nobody will just listen you. There are people around us with no patience. They will not listen you if you will just speak like e, like okay, like you, if you're gesturing like that, they will definitely see that you don't have fluency, you don't have that much confidence to speak English. You have, it means you don't have any kind of practice that you are able to speak English. Understand? So that makes you spoker things. Okay, sorry for inconvenience guys, because I am feeling little much amount of cough. I have catches a cold, so I am feeling that much amount of cough coming from my mouth. So I'm sorry for the interruption, but yes, I'm making video. Okay, so please put this all these kinds aside and let's move to the topic again. So I was talking about the speaking English, means think in English. Yes, what you have to do, I am going to tell you right now that how you can think in English. So you have to put everything. Sorry guys, sorry for inconvenience, sorry for the interruption. So let's continue the topic. So I was talking about how you can build like thinking in English. So one, the best technique that I have done in my spoken English journey, that is a constantly reading of English books. Constantly reading of English books helps you to make a sentences very fast in your mind, because you have words, you have sentence, you have loads of vocabs. And I will must suggest you to read the books of about 5 standard or a 6 standard. I will not suggest you to read a book about of 8, 9 or 10th, because I have studied from the CBSE school and I have seen a lots of means English books of NCERT. They have written a lots of hard words, because but the most important thing that increase our vocabs, that is, yeah, that is good, but all those vocabs are not usually done in used in our daily lives, and I will not suggest you to learn or memorize all those kinds of words at a beginner level. So I would really suggest you to read a book about of standards 5 or standard 6 if you're junior, or you can just buy a book, and you can also what, take a book from your sister, brother, or from your siblings, and also you can ask from your juniors. If you will see the books, you will see the even if you will see the all the sentences they have, how they have constructed, how they have written. The book was very good, yes, because from my experience I used to read the books about of 4 standard, 5 standard, and till 6 standard I used to read all these kinds of books, and I have seen loads of word stocks there. And and that's why I'm suggesting also you to just read all those kinds of book. And I will not, and I'm not talking about to read about of 2 pages. I am talking about to read about of 1 hour. Why? Because you are really want a fluency, and if you are really want fluency, then if you have to give a that much of effort, you have to put a that much of energy to become fluent, because fluent is come in our mouth until and unless if you will giving a lots of efforts. You have to read like a book in a loudly. You have to read a book out loud, not by murmuring the books, not by murmuring the words. Like if you are reading the books like like so, no, it will not work. You have to read out loud. how much how much energy you can give, just give out. Understand? So this is the best way to think English. Why I'm saying, why we translate our sentences? Because we don't have that much time right now, and we have not practiced that type of sentences. That's why I'm saying to read the books. Okay, this is the first step. And the second step is, I would must suggest you to practice tenses, guys. Tense means tense, lots of, like, you have to practice the various forms, various rules of tenses. I have told you in my previous video that how you can practice the tenses. If I will just take one example, okay, if I will take you, like suppose I have, okay, suppose I have this white paper here, and I'm going to write something here. In shortcut I will tell you, okay. So what you have to do is, let me write it there, let me write it there. I'm writing in front of you right now. What you have to do, okay, in shortcut I am telling you. I have already told in my previous video, but the people who are new to my video, they don't know, so that's why I'm making video right now. So yeah, okay, suppose I'm making video from the, okay, from here, okay, I'm making video, I am making sentence from the present continuous tense. So what is the formula, do you know? Subject plus में is, are plus verb plus में ing plus में object. Everybody know? Everybody know? As you can see, okay. So now I am making the sentence from this. You have to make a sentence by your own. So I am making a very simple sentence. I am going. So you have to convert it into positive. I am not going. Now you have to convert it to negative. Am I going? Now you have to convert this sentence into negative interrogative. Am I not going? Now you have to use the why, where, how, when. Where I am going. when I am going, what am I going, how am I going, what is there that I am going, I am going, what is the reason that I am going, what is the reason that I am going. As you can see here, I think it is visible to you. I am going, I am not going, am I going, am I not going, where am I going, when am I going, uh, what am I going, uh, okay, what I've said, how am I going, what is there that I am going, what is the reason that I am going. Okay, this is the best way to practice English, guys. This is a very means, this is a very very important that I'm telling you. These are very, from my experience I'm saying you, this is a ramban type of practicing. If you regularly do it about 1 hour for 30 days, you will definitely be fluent in English, guys. There are lots of videos I have seen in YouTube channel, but this is the thing that works for me, and I definitely assure you that it will work for you also. If you follow it in a disciplined way, consistent way, then it will definitely work it. You will just try it for the 7 days, guys. You will just work it out. If right now you are here, you will be here after practicing these kinds of things, and you will think in English, like you can convert Hindi into English in a like bit, in a less time. Okay, so that's for today, guys. I have made about a big video, so thank you for watching my video. Please let me know in the comment section if you really want it, and if it is really helpful for you or not, please let me know in the comment section. So bye bye, thank you.